So here's a question. Are you trying to replace a wheel hub and you're running into problems getting it off? Well, stay tuned. I'll show you an easy way how to do it. So get you a good pipe wrench, an old brake rotor for your car, and a good old trusty sledgehammer. Okay, so I got the axle nut out, the axle pounded in. I got my 3 nuts or 3 bolts out the back. Mount the brake rotor on backwards. I put all 5 lugs. I got this sucker right there. I have my buddy hold the phone here. Get this in focus. Check this out. Bada boom! 3 whacks with the old sledgehammer-oo, and she's out. And there you go. That's a extremely easy way to get your crusty old wheel hub off your vehicle. Should work on anything with one of these wheel hubs. My other piece of advice: when you get the old bearing off, go in here, wire wheel out the middle of this, and put some grease, or I use this. So the next time you have to do this, it'll come out a lot easier. So there you go, another quick one. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for checking out my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.